Hello, kids! Birds' names alphabetically. A for avocet, avocet. B for bunting, bunting. C for chickadee, chickadee. D for duck, duck. E for eagle, eagle. F for finch, finch. G for gala, gala. H for heron, heron. I for ibis, ibis. J for jay, jay. K for kingfisher, kingfisher. L for loon, loon. N for mako, mako. N for nuthatch, nuthatch. O for owl, owl. P for penguin, penguin. Q for quetzal, quetzal. R for robin, robin. S for spoonbill, spoonbill. T for titmouse, titmouse. U for umbrella bird, umbrella bird. V for vulture, vulture. W for woodpecker, woodpecker. X for xenopes, xenopes. Y for yellowthroat, yellowthroat. Z for zebrafinch. Sparrow, sparrow. Look, sparrows are having their food. Robin, robin. Robin is enjoying the weather. Quail, quail. The quails are saying hello to you guys. Kingfisher, kingfisher. The kingfisher is enjoying the nature. Hummingbird, hummingbird. The hummingbird is extracting nectar. Woodpecker, woodpecker. See, woodpecker is busy in its job. Parrot, parrot. Parrot is enjoying the guava. Pigeon, pigeon. Pigeon is busy in self-maintenance. Owl, owl. The owl is peeking for you. Toucan, toucan. The toucan is eating berries. Penguin, penguin. See the penguins walking their way to home. Swan, swan. Look at this cute swan swimming. Duck, duck. The duck is searching for its prey. Vulture, vulture. This vulture is looking for you. Eagle, eagle. The eagle is enjoying its flight. Hen, hen. Mummy hen is with its little chicks. Rooster, rooster. The handsome rooster is enjoying the cool weather. Ostrich, ostrich. Look at the ostrich moving in directions. Flamingo, flamingo. The flamingo is looking for something to eat. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Please subscribe my channel. Bye bye, kids.